Email marketing can be a very effective way to reach a target audience around the world. However, your marketing efforts may not reach their full potential unless you invest some time, energy, and money into evaluating your email marketing strategy. During this evaluation, you may determine whether or not email marketing is helping you to reach your goals. Likewise, you can determine if email marketing is having an adverse effect on your business. This article will discuss the importance of evaluating your email marketing and will also offer some useful advice on how to do this. To say that evaluating your email marketing strategy on a regular basis is important is a tremendous understatement. Regularly evaluating your email marketing is not only important, it is critical to the success of your business. Failure to evaluate your email marketing strategies can have adverse effects ranging from not producing results to causing you to lose customers to your competitors. Consider an email marketing campaign that is not effective because it does not reach the members of the target audience. Some business owners make the fatal mistake of not taking care to ensure their email distribution list features recipients who are extremely interested in the products or services you offer. Business owners who take shortcuts by purchasing large email lists often find their shortcuts did not pay off because the recipients of their marketing emails are simply not interested in the products or services you offer. In this scenario, email marketing is likely to generate very few sales or website visits. However, reevaluating the email distribution list to include recipients who are interested in your products or services will likely result in significantly more sales and website visits. Now consider a situation in which your email marketing is being construed as spam by the recipients. If you have taken precautions to ensure your emails are reaching members of your target audience but your emails seem like over-the-top sales pitches, the members of your email distribution list may view your emails as spam and not take your advertisements seriously. When this happens, the member of your email distribution list may be more likely to seek out a competitor when they are in need of products or services rather than making a purchase from you. Evaluating your email marketing efforts may be formal or informal in nature. If you have specific business goals in mind, you might want to consider using whether or not you are on the way to meeting this goal as an indication of whether or not the email marketing is working. You can evaluate your email marketing efforts by soliciting customer feedback, asking customers for their opinions about the email marketing campaign and whether or not they were compelled to make a purchase because of the content, the advertising, or some other element. Based on this information, you should have a good indication of whether or not the email marketing is effective. If it is not effective, you should consider making changes to create more interest in your products or services. The changes you make should reflect the feedback you receive, though, to ensure you are not making changes that will cause even less interest from the members of the target audience. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group My Learning Center.